Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we give you the real, unfiltered scoop on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're looking at something that promises to take your blending game to the next level. It's the Waring Commercial 7011HG 2-speed food blender, equipped with a heavy-duty motor, a glass container, and a whole lot more. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around to find out. The Waring Commercial 7011HG is a 2-speed food blender built for both performance and durability. It comes with a 40-ounce glass container, ideal for making larger batches of smoothies, soups, or sauces. The stainless steel blade ensures a smooth blend, and the push-button controls are designed to be user-friendly, even in dimly lit kitchens. What's more, this blender sports a heavy-duty motor that should have no trouble handling tough ingredients. The epoxy powder-coated zinc die-cast housing adds a layer of durability, ensuring it can stand up to the demands of both commercial and home use. With dimensions of 16.5 inches in height, 8 inches in width, and 7 inches in depth, this blender isn't the smallest on the market, but it's certainly compact for its power and capacity. Setting up the Waring 7011HG was surprisingly easy. All you need to do is plug it in, attach the glass container, and you're good to go. The push-button controls are intuitively designed, making it simple to switch between the two speeds. This blender was tested in various real-world situations. First, I tried blending a batch of frozen fruits to see how well it could handle tougher ingredients. The 7011HG powered through with ease, leaving me with a smooth, consistent texture in just a few seconds. Next, I tested its performance with something like hot soup, something that demands both precision and power. Again, the motor didn't disappoint, blending everything together seamlessly without any struggling. In terms of day-to-day tasks, this blender performs as advertised. Whether it's for personal use or in a professional kitchen, the 7011HG gets the job done without breaking a sweat. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the positives, the motor is undeniably powerful, and it really makes a difference when blending thick or tough ingredients. The glass container feels sturdy and provides that premium feel that plastic containers just can't match. The design is clean and straightforward, with easy-to-use push-button controls. The fact that the blender can be used in dimly lit settings without any hassle is a huge win, especially if you're working in a busy kitchen. On the downside, one thing I noticed was that it's a bit bulky compared to more compact models. And while it's sturdy, it might not be the best fit for small kitchen spaces. Also, the glass container, while durable, can be on the heavier side when it's full, making it slightly less convenient for those who need to pour large amounts quickly. When it comes to value for money, the Waring 7111HG is a solid investment if you're in need of a reliable, heavy-duty blender. It might be priced a bit higher than some home-use blenders, but you're paying for the robust motor and commercial-grade quality. If you're comparing it to other high-end blenders in the market, it stands out with its glass container and heavy-duty design. But you'll also want to factor in the size if you're tight on counter space. For those who are mainly blending softer ingredients like smoothies, you might find similar performance in other models at a lower price point. However, for tough, heavy-duty blending tasks, this one holds its ground. Speaking of alternatives, you could look at models like the Vitamix Explorian or the Blendtec Classic. Both of these are premium options that offer more advanced features like variable speed control and smart programs. However, they come at a higher price point. If you're not looking to break the bank but still want something durable, the Waring 7011HG might be the more practical choice. While those other blenders might offer more in terms of automation and speed options, this one brings it back to basics with powerful performance and simplicity. For people who want the essentials, it's hard to go wrong here. When it comes to build quality, the Waring 7011HG excels. The epoxy powder-coated zinc die-cast housing feels solid and capable of taking on daily wear and tear. It's built to last, which is one of the reasons why it's used in commercial settings. The glass container is a bit heavy, but its weight is an indication of how durable it is. As far as long-term reliability goes, There's a lot of positive feedback from users who have had this blender for years, and the brand has a strong reputation for creating long-lasting, dependable kitchen equipment. Now, customer support. I haven't had to reach out to Waring for this specific blender, but from what I've seen, their customer service is generally responsive and reliable. Their products tend to come with good warranties, and based on reviews, their support team has a reputation for being helpful. It's always good to know that if something were to go wrong, you're likely to get solid support. When it comes to firmware or software updates, they don't really apply here. This blender is a straightforward piece of kitchen equipment, and updates aren't something you'll need to worry about. It's all about raw power and durability, and that's exactly what this blender provides. Wrapping things up, the Waring Commercial 7111HG is a powerful, reliable blender that delivers excellent performance, especially for heavy-duty tasks. It's not the most compact, and it does have a bit of weight to it, but for those who need something sturdy, this blender is a great choice. It might not be the best fit for those with limited space or who need a super lightweight option, but for commercial kitchens or anyone who does a lot of tough blending, the 7011HG holds its own. Overall, I'd say it's a solid investment for the right kind of user. If you've already used this blender or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in checking it out, you'll find more details in the comments box. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay blended.